Alright guys, ever since some time now, I've been trying to teach you guys white mina lotion. So let's begin. Now we'll be using our Thiamidol powder. This is Thiamidol powder and we'll be using 10 gram. Alright, so just put it inside like as I just did now. Yes, then take your male white powder. So we'll be using also 10 gram. These two powder, they are very effective. 10 gram also add to it now. Yes, then you now use your black magic powder. You see the same 10 gram we are using also, so add it to it. Now we have 3 powder in here. So what we use, Thiamidol oil, very effective, and it removes stretch mark also. You can google it and know about this oil, Thiamidol oil, and we are using 3 spoons. As a matter of fact, this is the first spoon. Yes, because we are trying to make this oil now very strong. So this is the second spoon. Please always google all what I tell you. All right, so this is the third spoon. Make sure you make it very effective. We have a lot of oils that we can use, but I choose to use Thiamidol oil. Okay, then you mix together because it has automatically dissolved. Now we are using our vitamin C serum. You know, we have different type of vitamin C serum, but you can use this one because this one is very strong. That's why I'm telling you to use this one. Okay, quick one. Take a drop, just a drop. A drop is okay. Now we're using this essential oil. This essential oil, it removes scars, deep scars. It removes stretch mark, and it's for pregnant women also. They can use it. Go about this. Very strong. Use 1 drop also. As a matter of fact, white mina lotion is the best. Now we're using this collagen. You see this collagen is one of the collagen that I always advise you to use. Not every collagen, but this particular one, use this one because they work very effective. Use 1 spoon. We'll talk about what it does later. Okay, so now you all know this one. Carotone, Kukuma, use this one. But make sure you use it wisely. 1 spoon is just okay for us because I don't want the oil to be too much inside. So now let's take our base. But one thing I didn't tell you before this, we've put our preservative and fragrance inside the base already because I just want to make it very fast. All right, so now look at it. So including color, we've put color already. So now we're making a yellow color. Now you mix, so we're done. All right, so this is how to make this white mina lotion. I recap everything. This is what I use. This is vitamin C. Okay, so this is this essential oil for stretch mark, and see this one collagen also is essential oil that include our Thiamidol powder, very effective, and also our male white powder, very effective, and our black magic powder, and don't forget we added carotene oil. So